Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock and all of the semiconductors, that is AMD, ARM, Broadcom, Micron, and SMCI. So before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Well, today Nvidia, what is it doing in the price action? Well, it tried to go back up, but look at it. Still selling off underneath of that blue box, still staying below 117 and $118 area. The zone, as long as it's not recaptured to the upside, as what I have been saying, structure will not turn bullish. We are still in the downward structure, and you can see the sell-off is coming right over there, right? So still lower highs, lower lows. Any position that has to be taken can be taken. When you see the price action on the lower time frame rejecting at these areas, stop loss on the other side, you can either play it intraday or let some of your position carry as well on the short side. But yeah, that was the play. But all in all, it's up to you what you want to play. Do you want to play rebound? Do you want to play the bigger trend? That's up to you. That's your choice. I'm providing the areas and the levels to watch for potential change in the direction, right? But yes, so Nvidia is still in the downward structure, and we failed to go above 117 and 118, thus keeping Nvidia still bearish. So are we now full on bearish? Bulls have no hope, can't do anything. Is that the case? Not quite so as well yet. So let's go to the hourly interval. So remember what I talked to you guys also, this zone that you are watching, if Nvidia falls below, right? So now definitely if today we lose 111 and 49 cents, that's another break of level and expect downside, if not today, then tomorrow. So for example, if Nvidia closes by the end of the day weak somewhere over here, like 113 and 49 cents or so, if it closes weak, then you can't expect that big of an upside, and there's more likelihood that as if we break 111 and 52 cents, we'll break lower. But this area from $106 to 108 almost is the zone that some intraday upside may still come, but you have to see the price action on the lower time frame if that holds. So for example, if I take you to the 5 minutes interval, well, when you see at those significant areas, especially at our day trading levels plus marked by my indicator already, when you see things like, guys, lower highs, right, at these important areas of significance like day trading levels plus, I mean, that's it, it's plummeting, right? There's no coming back from it. So yeah, so things like that helps you make decisions at these important levels on the lower time frame, right? That what to look for in the price action. But anyway, so Nvidia still continues to stay in the downtrend, and you have the areas to watch. And if tomorrow, let's say once we come down, and if we come down to this 106 and 42 cents, then just be prepared that things may not look well. Things may try to rebound there, and then we will see what happens. But anytime if we break 106 eventually, that's a problem. So if you want to trade rebound, as I said, or stay with the structure and wait for the rebounds to complete and then pound the short again and take the direction with the stop loss on the other side, that's your choice to make your decisions. So yes, still staying in the downtrend, still rejecting underneath of those structural areas. Now the level to watch is 111 for the next break, and if that happens, it opens up the door to $106, and then we'll see what the price action does close to that. But yeah, this is the level to watch now. And if price action has to hold some support for the day, now, like, you have to see if it forms double bottom here, pivots here, or consolidations here at 108 and 11 and 53 cents for maybe an end of the day rebound a little bit. But again, you are trading against the trend, so just be careful. So, but yeah, something to watch. This is the level you are watching now. All right, so that's Nvidia, and let's take a look at AMD now. So AMD also tried to rebound today, well, but it's still selling off, and it's no surprising though. AMD has still, it's in the downtrend, and I have been saying that it's just, there's no sign of too much on the upside. Let's go to the hourly interval, and yeah, it tried to do some upside today after breaking this level for 141, went up close to the next level, but then gave up there. Overall trend is still to the downtrend, right? Yeah, so yeah, this is still looking very weak. At this point, I'll just suggest let the earnings happen, stay on the sideline, and according to the earnings, take the trades. And that would be, if it gaps up, just do a follow through the next day. If it gaps down, also do a follow through the next day. So in that same direction, whichever direction after earnings it takes, okay. I would be interested to see if it breaks after earnings, though the structure is still in the downtrend, but I'm curious to see, like, is it gonna really like just break its neck? Like, because if it does that, we are quite dire situation then on AMD, because its price targets are still being maintained at $200, so something to keep in mind. SMCI. SMCI did a little bit of a rebound, but structure, as I said, would not change on this overall as long as we stay below 775 area zone. And well, that's what I say, right? You just don't know how big of a rebound would come because structure is in the downtrend, right? So rebounds are always very tricky. You don't know how much rebound would come. And so you can see SMCI still being sold off. And yeah, just failing to even go above these levels. Like 721 was the level to watch area, failed, continuing lower. And yeah, if it breaks 692, yeah, watch the 662 area together with that 200 days moving average down here again. Let's say if SMCI comes down here and then starts to bounce up from 663 area or 665 areas with 200 days moving average, and then gets above again 691 area or 608 and 92 area. I'm not going to be penny to penny perfect, guys. So you have the levels here. You can just get my indicator and these levels will show up automatically for you. And then if it comes back up above again this level, then rebound may continue. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, yeah, it's just a fail below 200 days moving average after that. ARM continues to sell off. So we were already in the downtrend though, lower highs, lower lows, right? And finally lost 50 days moving average, lost 149 area, this area of support zone. It also has its earnings, so just be prepared. It has its earnings on Wednesday. But yeah, right now it's in the downtrend, and yeah, the next level is 135 and 27 cents, and then 121 and 46 cents. But hey, who's complaining, guys? I gave you all these moves, all these upside plays, and then when it broke the level as well, I gave you all these downside plays as well. Like ARM is like, you are a millionaire if you have been just following what I've been saying on ARM. So yeah, still in the downtrend. ARM is still selling off. Let's take a look at Broadcom. Failing to go above 50 days moving average. Trend is still staying to the downtrend on this thing. So yeah, right now it's still in the downward structure. So yeah, structure change on this would be only above 156 and 32 cents to the bullish side from where it is. Otherwise, you can see it's just being shorted there. Micron, very little rebound. I said on Micron, good rebound would only be above 113 and 69 cents to continue some bullish trend intradays to the upside. But the overall structure until then is still bearish, and we're just seeing a sell-off today. There's nothing much on Micron. The level you can be watching is close to 200 days moving average. If any strong bounce come or rebounds come, or from here we can get out of this consolidation eventually without breaking further below, then only upside. Otherwise, now it's just also cracking, falling. Tesla looking great today. I'll do another video on this. SPY and QQ, I'll do another videos on this, guys. Just wanted to show you here what they're doing. But this is, yeah, want to keep this video for semiconductors. The video otherwise just gets too long as well. All right, see you in the next videos, guys. That's it for this video. Take care. Bye.